Hello, my dear students. How are you? Today we will learn about connectives. By the end of this lesson, we will be able to comprehend connectives, identify the use of but, and because in sentences, write sentences using connectives and, but, because. Connectives are the words which connect or link words, phrases, or sentences together. For example, and, but, because, so, etc. Connectives are also known as conjunctions. As you all know, we are doing connectives. Today we are going to explore the three basic connectives: and, but, because. Let's see how can we use the connective because between the sentences. It helps you to talk about a reason for something. The connective because can be used to link two sentences together. For example, we have two sentences. I felt very hot. I was running in the sun. If we will focus on the second sentence, it is a reason. Why was I feeling very hot? So, we will connect them as I felt very hot because I was running in the sun. The connective because is used to show a reason. Now see how can we use the connective because to link two sentences. A parrot can fly because it has wings. The sentence "it has wings" is a reason. How can parrot fly? Now do these sentences. I am excited. Dash, it is raining. He is happy. Dash, he got his gift. You are absolutely correct. We are going to use because between each sentence, as the second part in each line is a reason. The second connective is and. It is used to join similar ideas. If we look at sentence A, it is a sunny day and it is very hot. We have noticed that sunny and very hot are the similar ideas. Now do sentence B by yourself. Well done. So we will use the connective and to link them together. The river swept the ant in and it began to drown. The third connective is but, and it is used to join opposite ideas. For example, the sky is cloudy, but it is not raining. Now you tell me which connective will we use here? Wow, you're correct. I am so hungry, but I have nothing to eat. Let's watch a video.
To join together or show contrast, using a conjunction is where it's at. Using conjunctions when you write will make your paper dynamite, and combines phrases, sentences, words. I'll walk the dog and feed the birds, but shows differences you may know. You were invited, but you can't go. To join together or show contrast, using a conjunction is where it's at. Using conjunctions when you write will make your paper dynamite.
Let's solve this crossword puzzle. Read the sentences and find out which connectives will be used. Use their correct numbers to put up the connectives. Your time starts now. Let's see if you have solved it correctly. Wow! Well done! Guess the correct connective. I am used to connect a sentence with a reason. I am used to connect similar ideas. I am used to connect opposite ideas. Now pause this video for a while and jot down your answers. Let's have a look. Practice more with the connectives. Read the sentences and use the correct connective. You may pause the video for a few seconds to note down the connectives. Check your answers. Now write a few lines about a busy day and use the connectives and, but, and because in them. For practice, check out our worksheet number 1 from week 2. Happy learning! Bye!